Boys, today I'm going to be showing you how to checkmate in the endgame. Firstly, I'm going to show you how you can mate with the queen. Firstly, put the queen into a position where if it was a knight, it would be check. And then whatever the king does next, you're going to copy the move. Boom, 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 boom. And eventually you'll get into this 4x2 rectangle. And then you can just bring the king, this, boom, boom, and then bring the king over to or wherever it is in the corner here and checkmate. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can mate with the rook. First, cut the king off like this. Move your rook to where it can't be attacked, and now you gotta bring your king. Boom, boom, shift over to the edge of the board, and then bring your king. Now you can do this, bring it to where the king blocks all the squares below it, so when the rook checks, it has to go up. Now you want to do this, not this, because if you did this, then it would be, like, you want it to where on your move it is one square away like that. And after that, shift it over, shift it again, and now you can checkmate like this. And in fact, as you can see, that was the perfect way to mate. It says mate in 16 here, and I mated in 16 moves. Now I'm going to show you how to mate with two bishops. Now this one's a lot harder, so stick with me. You gotta do this. Because as you can see, it walls off the king. So now I can move this bishop here, and now it's walled off, like, over here. Now bring the king closer, keeping the black king over here. Boom, 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 boom. And after bishop to f5, now it's walled off even more to just these few squares over here. Now play bishop to g5, bishop to g6, and then a bishop to f6. Now the king can only move between these two squares. Bring the king closer. Now bring this bishop back to allow the king into f6. So, boom. And now begins the process of slowly maneuvering your bishops into a better position. So with bishop f7 and then bishop to f4. Now inch the bishops closer with moves like bishop to g5 and then king to f5. Actually play bishop to e6, stalling a move. You want the king to be in the corner. Now you will play king to f7. And once in a position where your king and your opponent's king are face to face like this, and your bishops are free to move, you can play bishop to f5 check, and then bishop to f6 checkmate. And just translate that to whichever corner of the board you're mating on. Now I'm going to show you how you can mate with just a pawn. First, bring the king out, and up, and up, and now you'll get into a position like this. Only now can you push the pawn. Wait, what? Actually, you have to get opposition first with king to e4, and after this, play king d5, and then repeat this process up until here, and then you get into something like this. Now, you can push the pawn to the 4th rank. Now you can push the pawn once again, and then once you get to here, play king e6, so you get opposition, and now your king can guide the pawn all the way to the edge of the board. Then you can promote to a queen, and do what I said you needed to do, mating with the queen. And boys, that is how you can mate with at least a lot of winning endgames. Not going to be showing you how to mate with a knight and bishop, because, I don't know, go like, search on Google or YouTube or something for that, because today I can't tell you that.